So I remember this other time, ndangincokola with a former friend of mine. Ansakhumbula uba sasincokola ngantoni, but the minute she said, yo, hayi sana kaloku, at this time and age, at this day and age, you can never be friends with a person for the sake of being friends with them. You have to benefit something. And immediately she said that Londole really caught my attention to a point where I was like, hey girl, something in because I realized in that friendship, I was benefiting nothing. She was the one benefiting. So I had to sit down and ask myself, what am I benefiting from this friendship? Is there anything that I'm benefiting from this friendship? And then I found out nothing. The only person I could benefit was me. And that was the end of the friendship. Because I realized, I found out. And another thing, I've made a lot of bad choices when it comes to friendships, because I didn't even understand or know the meaning of friendships. As someone, Okule is an only child, I've never had friends growing up, even at school. Like, I was that child who was not even allowed to go out and play with the other kids. So, xa sendikhulile ndifumana the freedom to make friendships, because for me, it was not only about a friendship, but about sisterhood, So I think I was overdoing this friendship thing. Mina, I was looking for a sibling, for a sister, and that really got me taken advantage of by most of the people and the Bachuza as friends. You understand? That's what I've realized and that's what I've seen. And I would say into kakhulu is by realizing and seeing the problem and also understanding the kind of person that I am. So right now, my friend is my son, and omnye also my friend is his wife, my daughter-in-law, when the time comes, and I look forward to that because I know even if she can take advantage of me, it's fine. Daughter-in-law, so vele. So yeah, that's why I stand with friendships. So what is that one thing someone said to you, yakwenza uhlale phansi ucinge and be like, okay, let me think about this.